Aviation has played a significant role in wartime activities throughout modern American history. Large facilities and significant infrastructure were developed around the country to support the mass production of aircraft and military hardware necessary during wartime. After the World Wars ended and the steep decline in production that followed, many of these facilities, along with their accompanying infrastructure and skilled workforce, migrated to local government via civil airports and to the private sector that sustains production of military hardware. Today, in both the military and civil sectors of aviation, industrial aviation services such as maintenance, repair and overhaul, paint and interior remodeling, aircraft assembly, fabrication, and manufacturing are provided at civil airports. Some of the existing infrastructure is a result of civil aviation development, while others are the result of closing or transitioning military facilities. Both of these capitalize on common advantages of local workers' skill sets and communities that support and value the jobs and economic impact associated with industrial aviation. This industrial aviation dimension is an often forgotten facet of civil airports and is deserving of increased focus and planning at every level. This section of industry is important to communities because it represents jobs and economic activity at their civil airports. But industrial aviation is equally important on the national level. Indifference to the migration of these activities to regions with lower wages and relaxed regulatory environments threatens the national airspace system and the position our nation enjoys as an aerospace leader in this increasingly global industry. Protecting and expanding this important sector of transportation may require funding to support industrial aviation activities and industrial aviation airports, both of which rarely qualify for AIP funds. To address this gap, the FAA is currently working with the airport industry and is committed to finding the right fit for these airports within the national airport system. One thing is certain: the role of industrial aviation and industrial aviation airports continues to grow, along with the local economies and employment they support. It's essential that the FAA, industrial airports, and industrial aerospace service providers all work together to keep this critical component of the national airport system at the forefront of planning and growth.